What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road, bringing you another Tundra compilation today. We'll probably fit 3 or 4 in here. We don't know yet, but let's keep on watching to see what we do. We're gonna kick it off with this brand new 2024 Tundra TRD Pro in the new Terra color. This one's in for a king suspension setup. We're doing the 2.5 remote finned reservoirs, coilovers, and shocks all around on this one, with some Camburg Kinetik Billet Uniball upper control arms, and we're also doing some rear Old Man Emu lift springs on it. And in order to clear some 37-inch tires, we're going to be doing the horn chop on this one. We're doing some 37 12.5 17 BFGoodrich all-terrain KO2 tires. We're wrapping it up in the all-new flow-form design of the RRW RR7H hybrid wheels. These are going to be in a 17 by 8.5 size with the 0 offset. Our shop, 88 Rotors, is located in sunny Southern California in the city of Baldwin Park. If you're interested in getting some work done by us, please reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. If you're not local to us and want to purchase parts from us, check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com. Toyota released this Terra color this year, 2024, for all the TRD Pros. What do you guys think of it? Drop a comment down below and let us know your true thoughts on this color. Let's get up close and personal so you can see the outcome of our chop. This is what it looks like here after the chop has been performed. It looks pretty OEM, right? Because that's the whole point of it. You don't want to see it looking all hacked up under there. Flow-form wheels are forged under high pressure and heat, enhancing their structural integrity. This process results in a wheel with exceptional strength to weight ratio, ensuring durability and resilience against the toughest road conditions, as said by RRW. RRW has discontinued their original gravity cast RR7H wheels. Now they have this, which is a flow-form design. Cast wheels like they had before are made by pouring molten metal into a mold and allowing it to cool and solidify. Flow-form wheels like these now are made using a combination of casting and spinning techniques in which a cast wheel is spun and compressed to create a stronger and more durable wheel. They're lighter, they're stronger, and they're much better. We have a few containers of these that came in already and a few containers of more coming in. We'll link the wheels in the description below. Use promo code YouTube for $100 off of a set and free shipping. With the new lift, wheels, and tires installed with the chop, we're gonna bring this one out for a quick test drive before we hand the keys back over to the customer. And in case you're wondering what we're doing here, the customer actually parked the vehicle underneath a tree or something, and he requested that we helped him by blowing off some of the leaves and stuff that fell down from the trees on it. Once again, now that the lift, wheels, tires, and chop has been done and the leaves have been blown off of the windshield, we're going to take it out for a quick test drive. If you guys like what you see here and want to see more, make sure to follow us on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Next up is a Platinum Tundra in magnetic gray metallic. We're doing a similar setup on this one. We're doing the King 2.5 remote finned reservoirs for coilovers and shocks up front and in back, but we're using some different upper control arms on this one. We're doing the Icon Delta Joint Billet UCAs on this one with some Old Man Emu rear lift springs. For the wheels and tires on this one, we're going with a set of Method MR305s in double black. Double black is a matte black finish with a gloss black simulated beadlock ring. And for the tires here, we're going with the BFGoodrich all-terrain KO2 in a 35, 12.5, 17 size. There's no trimming required here, just minor modifications and pushing the liner back, that way the 35s will clear on here perfectly. Next up, we have this second generation Tundra TRD Pro that's in for a Westcott Design's lift kit. The owner of this one wants to keep it simple, so we're going to be installing a set of two 95/70/18 needle ridge grapplers on the factory TRD Pro BBS wheels. That's about it, folks. Thank you very much for tuning in today, as always. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another video. Until then, take care, guys.